ground up, air, nitrogen. It's well feeder to make power. Steel, the wheels to move the wire.
Okay?
Yeah, you do better than me. Yeah, just the
Yeah. When you stop. Wow, looks pretty good. I like it.
It's your first time, so you do very good.
It's our first time and that looks beautiful.
Yeah, like you have been practice for many years, right? Yeah, better than me. Let me see that
I
side.
guess I'm gonna take your job, you know?
Yeah,
If I'm doing better than you,
Yeah,
I'll
much
take your
better.
job.
Yeah, much better.
No, look pretty good.
Yeah, pretty
That's
good.
all. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
I'm considering to
Yeah,
improve our equipment and maybe buy that unit. I mean, I like it.
Yeah.
I'm so happy with
Yeah.
the way it came out.
yeah, yeah. So it's very easy, huh?
That's very simple, very easy,
Yeah,
and it's so easy to working with a gun and so easy. I mean, that's nothing.
and the working efficiency is much faster.
Mhm.
It's around 1 to 7 compared
Got it,
to the
yeah.
conventional one.
Yeah, no, that's very easy
Yeah.
and fast.
If for this part, conventional or take a mag weld, it around need maybe 1 or 2 minutes, right?
Oh, definitely. This would take maybe like at least 2-3 minutes. With this
2-3
only
minutes.
15-20 seconds.
Yeah, 20 seconds, 15
Yeah,
seconds.
it's great.
Yeah.
I mean, it's like 10 times faster than a regular
Yeah,
welder.
maybe sometimes 10, sometimes 7, like
Yeah,
that. Like that.
Exactly. Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you so much. This is really nice.
Yeah, yeah.